Alright, let's get ready. We're going to sing Birds Fly from the first film. Alright, let's do it. I was playing it earlier and I wanted to do it actually, so 1 minute. Birds fly in the eye of Petrus, da 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 da. Should I just keep it like that? And then, yeah, 1 minute. Being careful not to get the Velcro. I know where the Velcro is anyway, so I've never caught it anyway. My Scream 1 now cosplay when I did, I'm saying that at some point. Oh, there you go. That's without the tassels tucked in. But, yeah, that actually looks better. So, just shape the hood. Alright, here we go. Alexa, play Scream Birds Fly by Soho.
I couldn't find Scream Birds Fly, but here is other music by Soho.
Alexa, play Soho Birds Fly.
I couldn't find that on Amazon Music.
Alexa, play Soho Whisper to a Scream.
Here's Birds Fly, Whisper to a Scream by the Icicle Works on
one.
Amazon Music.
Alexa, play Soho Birds Fly.
Here's Scream Birds Fly by Soho on Amazon Music.
What's the matter, Sydney? You look like you've seen a ghost.
Oh, Scream was released in 1996, a year after I was born. So, I'm almost 30. Love comes down upon us and flows like water burning, with the hope of inside feathers. Books the cause of revelation stolen in the sight of love. We're just children finding our way around the decision. We are rather helpless. Take us forever, whisper to a scream.
What's the matter, Sydney? You look like you've seen a ghost.
Birds fly in the eye of Petrus, got us moving at the bitter and wasted. Sacrifice for dinner by the night time. Send the sun away. We're just children finding our way around the decision. We are rather helpless. Take us forever. Whisper to a scream. 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 We are the children finding our way around a decision. We are rather helpless. Take us forever. Whisper to a scream. 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 Whisper Whisper to a tree. Whisper to a tree. Whisper to a tree. Whisper to a tree. I love cosplaying Ghostface, guys. Thank you so much for subscribing, it means the world. And the views, I'm so shocked. Whisper to a tree. Whisper to a tree. Whisper to a tree. Yeah. Oh. Thank you so much. I just love the quality of this robe. It was a lot of money, but it was £186 I think it was. But really, it's amazing. And it will never rip. It's really well made. I love the mask as well. I got so backlash on social media because of it.
What's the matter, Sydney? You look like you've seen a ghost.
Alexa, pause. Sorry guys, it's the only way I can in this costume actually tell Alexa to play the music. Because with this you can't press anything, like tap anything on your phone or anything to play it. So the only way you can do it is by telling Alexa. Alright, 1 minute. Like, subscribe for more. Bye.